Types of activity being performed. Glucose is usually preferred as the best energy source, especially for the activity of high intensity. So before competition, the diet or meal should be rich in carbohydrates and low in fat, proteins and fiber. Such type of diet may include bread, cereals, potatoes, pasta, rice, fruits and vegetables for quick energy. The day before competition, the meals should consist of rich carbohydrate such as pasta, toast bread, brown rice or whole grain, etc. High fat and protein should be avoided because they slow down the digestion approximately 2 hours before the competition. A high carbohydrate energy drink can be sufficient. Taking fluids help in preventing dehydration during competition. In fact, a little dehydration may cause poor performance. Just before the competition, a sportsperson should feel hungry. She should be properly hydrated. Should not feel hungry. She should be properly hydrated. Nutrition during competition. Nutrition during competition is essential to stay hydrated and to maintain blood sugar level so that a sportsperson may not feel fatigue. So a sportsperson should frequently take fluids during competition. In fact, staying hydrated is the most significant factor for maintaining performance during competition. She should not wait for feeling thirsty. In fact, the amount of fluid taken depends on climate and intensity of competition. If the duration of competition is more than 60 minutes, the sportsperson should take a small amount of carbohydrates at regular interval during competition. In this way, the blood sugar level will be enhanced by glycogen stores and will not be depleted rapidly. Half cup to 1 cup of fluid after every 10 to 20 minutes during competition is better. If duration of competition is more than 1 hour, one should take a small snack after a short break. If the duration of competition is less than 60 minutes, a sportsperson should drink water frequently after every 10 to 20 minutes. All the events do not require extra energy during competition. Indeed, a number of research studies have shown that a sports drink may be beneficial during high intensity level activities lasting 60 minutes or longer, or less intensity activities for prolonged period of time. Nutrition after the competition. Nutrition after the competition is essential for getting proper recovery. Such nutrition extremely plays important role as it will determine the recovery and energy level of a sportsperson for the next day's competition. First of all, preferences should be given for replacement of any fluid loss. This can be easily done by intake of water or fluid replacement drink. It is equally significant to take some carbohydrates immediately within 15 minutes after completion of restoring glycogen. For this purpose, fruits, juices and sport drinks may be included. High carbohydrate drinks may be used. Meals after the competition should be taken within 2 hours of the competition for best glycogen restoration. 100 to 200 gram of carbohydrates along with lean protein or the milk should be taken. Intake of protein with carbohydrate after completion will definitely help in building, maintaining and repairing muscle. At least 20 gram of protein is required after competition to enhance the muscle recovery. It can be in the form of food, cheese, milk and yogurt, etc. After 2 hours of competition, a sports person should take a full balance